Hey guys, Star here. If you're a lead generation agency or you're running ads, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily integrate LinkedIn ads with HighLevel and how to quickly set up an ads campaign for LinkedIn. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. Just scroll on down to marketing. Once you're on the marketing tab, you want to make sure that you are integrated with LinkedIn ads. Now, do keep in mind that you do have to have a LinkedIn ads account already set up. So just go ahead and click on the gear icon to the right. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll see Meta, Google Ads, and LinkedIn. We're going to go ahead and click on LinkedIn. Here is going to be a blue button. We'll select Connect Account. This will actually allow you to integrate your LinkedIn Ads account. You'll go ahead and sign in, and you're going to authorize Lead Connector by pressing Allow. Go ahead and select your ad account and get started. Now you'll see that we actually have our LinkedIn Ads account connected. Let's go back over to the Ads Manager. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up a campaign. Click on the blue plus Create Campaign icon. We're going to select LinkedIn and we're going to hit Next. Let's go ahead and start from scratch. We're going to select Next. Now I want to point out a few things. You're going to see 3 levels here, which make it really easy. The first thing you want to do is select the goal for your LinkedIn campaign. You can select lead generation or website visits. Let's go with lead generation. You're also going to want to go ahead and select your budget. You can select a daily budget or a lifetime budget. So go ahead and select your daily budget and enter that amount. You can also budget for optimization for maximum delivery. This will allow you to get the most results possible with your full budget, or you can use our cost cap option to get as many results as possible while staying under the desired maximum cost per result amount. Next, you're going to go ahead and select Ad Campaign. Here you can go ahead and name your ad campaign and go ahead and select what type of media. So there's 3 options. You can do a single image media type, you can upload a single video, or you can upload a carousel. Also select the language. Now let's take a look at the audience controls. You do have to select a geographic location. So go ahead and select a geographic location. You can also notice that we have states, cities, so much more. I'm going to go ahead and leave it set with the US. Now, intended audiences are optional, but I do want to show you how this works. So with your target interests, you can reach people based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. You can include criteria such as their job title, industry, or skills, and you can also exclude them. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So when we select include, you can actually include a user who meet any of the following attributes. So maybe you want to base that on a company, and we have company category, connections, growth size, company industries, company names, company revenue, and company size. So you can see here, I might want to select a technology, and I'll go ahead and add that attribute. Okay, then we have demographics. Within demographics, you can target based on age or gender. We also have education, and we have fields of study, which is very important. We also have schools, and we also have degrees. The other thing is job experience. So you can base this on job titles. You can actually select, maybe you want to select manager, and maybe you also want to select director. So we'll go ahead and add both of those to the attributes. Now let's take a look at the job experience. So in addition to job titles, you can actually check out job seniority, job functions, and member skills. We also have interests and traits as well. And then we have member groups within that. So people who are members of specific groups might also be important to you. And if you want to include more attributes, we have an option here below. Click on more attributes, and then you can go ahead and go back and add more attributes to the list that we've already created. So for example, for the job, maybe I want to go ahead and add a sales manager, so I can go ahead and add that attribute as well. So now we have 3 attributes added. So this is going to be my first group, and I want you to know that you can actually have up to 3 attribute groups, okay? So now that we have created our campaign group as well as our campaign, now it's time to set up your ad. So you can actually go ahead and name your ad, and you can also include your introduction text. Be sure to keep this under 150 characters, and you can add a description, which is optional. And then you can have a call to action. So maybe you're not actually looking for people to apply. Maybe you want to select learn more or sign up, subscribe, or register. We're going to go ahead and select learn more. Then you're going to select an existing LinkedIn lead form if you're doing a lead form ad, and go ahead and select that lead form. Then you're going to go ahead and upload the media for your ad. So just go ahead and upload the media image for your ad campaign, and we'll go ahead and insert that. So here on the right, you'll be able to see a preview of that. Now be sure to add your headline and don't forget to add your destination URL. So once you've set this up, you can go ahead and review your ad. Now you can go ahead and take a look at what the campaign details are going to look like before you publish. So then you'll have the option to publish your campaign now, or you can delete this campaign forever. Now, I do want to show you one more thing. On the left-hand side, when we're in the Ads Manager, please note that we've already shown you how to set up the campaign under campaigns, but I also want to show you statistics. So here in statistics, you'll be able to see exactly what's happening with your ads. Just be sure to click on LinkedIn if you want to check out what's going on with the LinkedIn ad that you've set up. You'll be able to see what's happening with the conversion summary from impressions, clicks to conversions, as well as the average CPC, cost per conversion, or CPM. You also will see the client spend as well, and you'll have performance analytics as well. We'll also have campaign details also listed below. So start using the Ads Manager directly in HighLevel to start setting up and managing your ad campaigns directly for LinkedIn. Don't forget to check out the corresponding help doc below and check out our Content Army playlist for more exciting tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.